Students, our next topic is expression for electrostatic potential energy of system of charges. Expression for electrostatic potential energy of system of charges. Electrostatic potential energy of a system of point charges is the total amount of work done in bringing various charges to their respective positions from infinitely large mutual separations. This means the points were initially infinite distance away from each other. When we bring the charges at their respective positions, then we have to do work. This total work done in bringing the various charges to their respective positions from infinitely large mutual separations is electrostatic potential energy of system of charges. Now we will calculate electrostatic potential energy of system of 2-point charges. Let a point charge q1 is held at p1 with position vector r1 vector. Let us suppose that a point charge q1 is held at point p1 with position vector r1 vector. Now suppose a point charge q2 is at infinite distance. This is at infinite distance, at infinity. Suppose a point charge q2 is at infinite distance from q1, and this point charge q2, this is to be brought to point p2 with position vector r2. This point is to be brought to point p2 whose position vector is r2, where p1 p2 is r12 vector. Let a point charge q1 is held at p1 with position vector r1. Suppose a point charge q2 is initially at infinite distance from q1, and this point charge is to be brought from infinity to point p2 whose position vector is r2. Let p1 p2 is equal to r12 vector. Now electrostatic potential at P2, electrostatic potential at P2 due to charge Q1 at P1 is, let's say V. This will be Q1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught R12. Potential at P2 due to charge Q1 at P1. This is Q1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught R12. Now by definition, work done in carrying charge q2 from infinity to p2. By definition, work done in bringing charge q2 from infinity to p2. This work done is potential into charge, because electrostatic potential at a point, this is amount of work done in bringing unit positive charge from infinity to that point. Now work done in bringing charge q, this will be potential times charge. Potential is the amount of work done in bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to that point. If we have to bring the charge q2, then this will be potential times charge. Now potential at this point is q1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught r12, charge is q2. Therefore W is equal to Q1 Q2 upon 4 pi epsilon naught R12. This work done is stored in the form of potential energy. Therefore, this is the expression for potential energy of a system of 2-point charges.